If you've been thinking about starting an online store, selling products online, or launching a brand, this might be the easiest and cheapest time to get started. Right now, Shopify is offering a deal where you can start completely free and then continue for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. That means you can build your website, add products, customize your store, and test your business idea without spending much money up front. In this video, I'll walk you through how to claim the Shopify free trial, how the $1 per month offer works, what you get included, and how to launch your store step by step. Let's get started. Go down below this video and click the Shopify link in the description. Quick disclosure, that is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission if you decide to continue with Shopify at no extra cost to you. You still get the same free trial and promotional pricing. Once you click the link, you'll land on the sign up page. Type in your email address, input a password, and click create account. You then have the option to input your payment details, or you can skip this step completely. Then Shopify will ask you a few quick setup questions like, what do you plan to sell? Is this a new or existing business? Where do you want to sell? These are just to help personalize your dashboard. Once finished, you'll enter the Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for your online store. Before we continue, let me quickly show you what your finished store can look like. You can have a professional homepage, product pages, secure checkout, mobile-friendly design, payment processing built in, discount codes, shipping settings, order management. This is why so many beginners choose Shopify. Now let's continue with the setup. Inside the dashboard, you'll choose your store name. Don't stress too much here, you can change this later. Try to choose something simple, memorable, and related to your niche. Now go to products on the left side. Click Add Products. Here you can upload product title, description, images, pricing, inventory, variants like size or color. This is where your store starts coming to life. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Shopify gives you professional themes you can customize without coding. You can edit logo, colors, homepage sections, banners, buttons, fonts, product page layout. This lets you build a real brand, not just a basic website. Go to Settings, then Payments. This is where you connect how you'll get paid. You can accept credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, other payment methods depending on the country. Shopify handles secure checkout processing for you. Once your free trial period ends, Shopify lets eligible new users continue for $1 per month for 3 months. That gives you extra time to build traffic, launch products, make first sales, learn the platform, grow with low risk. That's one of the best parts of this deal. Most businesses fail because people spend too much money before validating the idea. With the Shopify trial offer, you can start small and test demand first. That's smart business. If you've been waiting for the right time to launch an online store, this is a great opportunity. Start free, then continue for just $1 a month for 3 months. If you want to get started, check out the Shopify link in the description below. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.